Are you looking to customize your chat settings on WhatsApp Web on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to easily view and adjust your chat settings with the new update. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your account on WhatsApp Web. Once you're in, look to the left menu and click on the gear icon. This will open up your settings menu. Next, within the settings menu, locate and click on the Chats option. This will take you to the chat settings page where you can make various adjustments to personalize your chatting experience. From here, you can customize your chat settings to suit your preferences, such as changing notification settings, adjusting message settings, and much more. Take some time to explore the options available and tailor them to your liking. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and customize your chat settings on WhatsApp Web on your PC with the latest update. Enjoy chatting with your friends and family in a way that works best for you. Thanks for watching.